Today, we bring the DT75 back to life, but before the engine wakes up, it needs to learn how to start again. This machine has history in every bolt, every pipe, every sound it makes. First, we warm the system, checking the lines, the starter, and the old mechanical heart waiting beneath the metal. The DT75 isn't just a tractor, it's a machine built in an era where everything was made to survive. Slowly, the process begins. Fuel moving through old channels, air filling the intake, pressure building from deep inside. This part takes patience. The DT75 responds only when treated right. We lift the lever, we prime the system, and we wait. The engine hesitates, like an old giant deciding if it wants to wake up. Then, finally, a spark of life. The crank begins to turn, the pistons fight to move, and the machine remembers what it was built for. The sound grows, quiet at first, then deeper, stronger, like a heartbeat rising from decades of rest. And at last, the big engine comes alive, breathing smoke, heat, and raw mechanical power. This is the DT75, a symbol of endurance. Now wake once again. Old machines don't die. They wait for the right hands to bring them back to life.